Qwen3-VL brings you today's curated AI news. OpenAI launched GPT-5 Search API, up to 87% cheaper than Claude. Qwen released small parameter multimodal models. Oracle and AMD are building a 50K GPU supercomputer. Let's dive into today's developments. OpenAI officially launched GPT-5 Search API on October 14th, deeply integrating large language models with real-time web search. The new model supports 3 search modes: quick lookup, iterative reasoning, and deep research, automatically handling query, parsing, and citation workflows. Pricing is highly competitive. GPT-5 series starts at $1.25 input and $10 output per million tokens, compared to competitor Claude Opus 4.1's $15 and $75, representing 92% and 87% savings respectively. This move may trigger an AI API price war while eliminating the need for developers to integrate separate search engines. Alibaba's Qwen team released Qwen3-VL 4B and 8B small parameter multimodal models on October 15th, achieving 3 major architectural innovations. The models natively support 256K token context, expandable to 1M, capable of processing hour-long videos with frame-by-frame indexing. OCR capabilities expanded from 19 to 32 languages, covering ancient texts and specialized terminology. Visual agent functionality enables direct PC and mobile GUI operations, completing task loops. Enhanced visual encoding can generate draw.io, HTML, CSS, and JS code. Nexa AI simultaneously launched Day Zero local inference solutions, supporting one-click deployment across multiple hardware platforms. Oracle and AMD announced on October 14th they will launch the world's first 50,000 AMD Instinct MI450 GPU supercomputer cluster in Q3 2026. The cluster uses AMD's Helios full rack design with 72 GPUs per rack and dense liquid cooling optimization. Each MI450 card features 432 GB HBM4 memory and 20 TB per second bandwidth, capable of processing models 50% larger than previous generations entirely in memory. The system's total power consumption is approximately 200 megawatts, equivalent to a small city's electricity usage, marking AI infrastructure competition entering a new scale. NVIDIA unveiled NVFP4 and MXFP8 scaling methods in October through paper and GitHub code, demonstrating 4-bit precision training breakthroughs. In 12B parameter Mamba transformer model training with 10 trillion tokens, NVFP4's validation loss gap with FP8 stayed within 1%, with MLU Pro score of 62.58%, nearly matching FP8's 62.62%. Performance-wise, GB200 achieves 4x speedup and GB300 reaches 6x, with memory consumption halved compared to FP8. NVIDIA is collaborating with OpenAI, Google Cloud, Microsoft AI, and others to validate 4-bit training potential, opening new paths for reducing computation and memory in large model training. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman announced on October 14th that ChatGPT restrictions will be relaxed, allowing users to choose more personable interaction styles, including emojis and friendly conversation. After the age verification system launches in December, verified adult users can opt in to activate adult content generation features. Altman said previous settings were quite restrictive to prevent mental health risks, but with improved tools and risk mitigation, restrictions can now be safely relaxed. OpenAI simultaneously formed a well-being and AI expert committee to oversee sensitive scenario guardrails. Here's today's craziest question. OpenAI's GPT-5 Search API is up to 87% cheaper than Claude. Plus, it integrates real-time web search, eliminating the need for developers to integrate separate search engines. But Claude Opus has always been known for quality. If you could only choose one, would you go for GPT-5's price advantage or pay more for higher quality? What's your choice? See you in the comments. Qwen3-VL, stay crazy tomorrow.